Namaste friends, welcome back to Kaydanivato. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 11 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which is all about maintenance of public order and tranquility. So let's break it down in simple language, section by section. Main content of this chapter: Section 148 to 151 is unlawful assembly. This section explains how unlawful gathering can be dispersed. Civil authorities and, if necessary, armed forces can act to maintain order. Legal protection is given to officers performing their duty. Section 152 to 162 is all about public nuisance. These empower magistrate to remove public nuisance. They describe how notice are served, penalties for disobedience, and even expert investigations. Injunctions can also be issued to stop ongoing nuisance. So section 152 to 162 is covered public nuisance, and after that section 163, urgent cases of nuisance or danger. In urgent situation where there is an immediate threat to public peace, a magistrate can pass quick and temporary orders. So it is for the emergency. Section 163 covered that. Or in urgent situation where there is an immediate threat to public peace, a magistrate can pass quick and temporary orders. This ensures safety before the matter escalate. Section 164 to 167, disputes regarding immovable properties. This deal with land or water dispute that could disturb peace. Magistrate may conduct inquiries, attach disputed property, appoint a receiver, or order local investigations. The goal is to prevent violence and maintain harmony. So short recap of this chapter. Chapter 11 gives the authorities clear powers to control unlawful assembly, public nuisance, urgent threats, and property dispute. This framework ensures that the peace and order are maintained in society. So friends, this was the chapter 11. If you found this explanation useful, then share, like, and subscribe this channel Kaydanivato. We will meet soon in next chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kaydanivato. Thank you.